from all the members, the common mistake which I'm getting, that is the change of structure and forgetting where we need to go. We go with the sell, we go with the buy. For example, if I check these trades, what he forget the change of structure. And then at this place, what he forget the change of structure. Which is the structure? The structure is this. This is the resistance. Okay. When this resistance broken, what happens now? What is this? It's become a support. At the support, he placed the sell option. So this mistake, see here, what is this? Only we will take this one as a break of a structure. Am I right? This is a break of a structure. And after that, we got the support. Price is moving up. So mostly every time, which trades you are losing at the break of a structure and the change of a structure. So change of a structure you are not getting at the trading. Same thing here. What he mistake? A support become a, the support become a resistance. Yeah. But the price still is in which area? It is inside the zone. So here he forget the structure, and then he won. Finally, this is not a perfect trade also. Here this is a perfect trade with a change of a structure. Here also he forget something. From other members, in the start, I'm going to show you some missing trades. Yeah. He's a rookie, I think. He is also, every time he is missing the structure. Some trades, it's perfect winning, but mostly which he is losing the trade, that is the change of structure. Okay, we will discuss this completely. And now one by one, tell me, who is facing so many problems and where he is facing the problems. In the meeting, we have Alicia, Fawaz, and Opu. So Fawaz, you tell me first that where you are getting the some confusion or misconception.
Yes, sir. It's only invalidation. Otherwise, I am doing good trade.
Okay. Otherwise, everything is going perfect, right?
Yeah, right, sir.
Okay. Alicia, what you are facing the problems?
I think my biggest problem is okay, so there's one problem that I find. So I like to use the wow strategy as a confirmation for like almost everything.
Okay. Okay.
And when it breaks that zone,
Okay.
I sometimes get confused and don't know if it will act as support or resistance.
Yes.
So I get really confused on that.
Okay, no problem. It's very easy. Today, what I will share you, data structure will filter your everything. Okay. Because data structure I did not describe in a detail, but mostly sometimes I talked in the classes, but I was thinking that who can find that mistake. So today I will share, and then it will be clear, very clear. Okay. Yes.
So I also get confused. So I've been only doing like one strategy until I, get better at it. But I sometimes I feel like I know, okay, I don't know how to say this. So I feel like I do a really good job. But then I also don't know if I'm actually taking really good trades. Like, I don't know if it's like luck or if I'm like actually identifying good trades.
Okay, so when we will understand that when we require the support for the trade, when we require the resistance, a correct resistance for the trade, once we confirm this thing, then on the support and resistance, we will use the other concepts as well. Because as we know that if the reversal structure is clear, then all the reversal strategies will be clear. If the reversal structure is not clear, then all strategies will confuse you. Then you have a fear to use those strategies along together all. Okay, so now because of fear, you are using one by one strategy. Okay, it's okay, not a problem. But a trader who have a multiple choice, then he will be successful.
Yes.
Okay. And because you have a limited time, you don't have a time of 24 hours to trade. And we also don't have a 24 hours correct market. We have a limited time. Within the limited time, we need to find out the opportunities and trade all the opportunities and complete the target. As much as small session of the trading, that will be the successful. As much as you take it long, you will face problems, and at the end you will be tired, and then your decisions will be messy, and then you will get the bad performance. At that time you will be demotivated. So it is best that when we will understand the structure, when we will understand that structure, how we can find. Okay,
Sir.
so the clear way I will share today. Oppo, do you have any query, any confusion? Then I can start.
Yes, sir, you can start.
Okay, I can start now. Okay. Now, you all need to complete focus on my concept. Okay, complete focus I required. We accept market have a structure, right? The structure of waves and the structure of candles. In an uptrend, in a downtrend, a small structure, a big wave structure, we have the structure. Our every decision is affected by the market structure. If the market is moving smoothly up, definitely you will never lose. Because this is the not way of market moving. Market is moving 2 candles, 3 candles up, then down, then up, then down, then up, then down, then up, then down, then up, then down. We have problems at the reversal points, and we are not getting the complete structure that at these reversal points, what the decisions we can take. Sometimes a continuation strategy, sometimes a reversal strategy, sometimes any other type of any strategy which is mixed we required. But first we need to do a one setup. Look at here. The basic structure said when price moved up, then moved down, what it creates? It creates a resistance, right? That is a resistance. Yes, if the price structure reach to this resistance, we are not trading any resistance level, because this is the direct structure of resistance, right? This structure, when it will break, we will wait. Once this structure will break, what it confirms? Who failed?
Seller.
Then this structure become support structure. Become support. A resistance become a support. And then when you will find a market come back to the support, this support will work 90% as compared to the this support. This support will work 50% and this support will work 90%. If you trade here, the support, I don't think so. You will lose trades. If you are placing the 100 trades, you will win the 90 trades. Okay. When you have a market structure, this one, so what it is created a support. We need to break this structure. Once this structure break, now what confirms? Who failed?
Buyers.
Buyers failed. You are trading sellers when buyer is failing. You are trading support when
Sellers failing.
when you are trading this support, who is failing?
Sellers.
No one is failing. Is this support is confirming you who is failed? Still
No.
not. The idea is not clear still. This resistance area, when broken, is it confirmed who failed?
Yes.
When you have a confirmation that seller failed, take opportunity with the buy. When you confirm that the buyer failed, take an opportunity of sale. But if you don't have a confirm who failed, what here then means you are taking risk. A risk taking means you are getting 50% result. How much? 50%. So here, do you have a confirmation? One party is failed, right? And then
Yes.
you go with the sale. Always you will win. Now, one thing keep in mind, the another thing. What's the rule behind this is logic? When the buyer will be failed, when the buyer will be failed, this sellers need to one confirmation. What it requires? A confirmation that our breakout from the buyer side is a true. We are at the positive point. The sellers will come back at the break-in support, which becomes a resistance. They will reach here and then they will go down. Now they are clear. Now they are clear. Now, this is the first step. This is what? First step of reading of market. Second step, at this portion, what you will get? At this portion, what you will get? Is it possible? You will get number one, a patron. Am I right? Number two, you will get the psychopatron. Okay. Number three, you will get the anomaly. Number four, you will get the validation. Number five, you will get the breakout. Number six, you will get the SNR. So all your strategies which are based on these things, where you will get these setups? At this area. Okay. For example, if we want to catch some birds, if we want to catch some birds, if it's an open area, is it possible you will catch the birds easily?
No. No.
If it's a closed area, like a box, like a room, like a everything, okay, which is closed, is it possible immediately you can catch the birds? This price when reach at this area, this is the closed price, this is the closed price in a box, or it's open price?
Closed.
Closed.
So closed price decisions will give you the good performance, good results. Open price decisions, when the price is open, if you want to stop the price, you cannot. But if you go with the price, open price, it is possible it can take you. Okay, so see what we are trading, what we need to keep a one point in mind. One structure failed, then we have to select the second structure. Okay, when one structure will be failed, it is a confirmation who failed, a sellers or buyers failed. If the buyers failed, we go with the sell. If the sellers failed, we go with the buy structure. Now some points I'm going to share with you people. And that so many things you will find. Focus, a resistance become a support, and support become a resistance. Okay, if I want to trade this resistance, I failed here, am I right?
Yes.
But I waited, I need to wait. Once this structure breaking, it's broken.
Yes.
When it's broken, who fails?
Sellers will.
These sellers will try again. Need to wait, they come back at this support. Okay, the resistance which become a support.
Support zone.
Support.
This support is working.
Yes.
Then this resistance structure broken.
Yes.
Yes.
Then this support is working.
Yes.
Now watch. When this support, this red candle closed at the support, a one green, two red candle, which is this pattern?
Evening star.
Evening.
Evening star and psychological pattern. Am I right? One green,
Yes, sir.
two red. This psychological pattern he works here.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
When a two green candles broke the structure, one red candle retests the support. Which is this structure?
Two green, one red.
The next will be the green. Am I right?
Yes. Yes, sir.
And we traded the psychological pattern. We traded the support. The two confirmations are there, but with which it's with the structure, right? See here. This red candle closes on the support of the resistance becomes support. Okay. See a one green, two red candles. Which pattern is there? Psychological.
Yes, sir.
Which closed on the support? We traded. We traded. See here, the two candles moved up. The one candle moved down, which rejected from the support. Two green, one red candle is a structure of the psychological. What will be the next? Green?
Green.
Okay. Now, this green candle closing, is there any on the structure? No. There is no structure, but yes, there is a structure. There is a structure. Look at here. This is what? Am I right? Is it a structure?
Yes.
The resistance, this resistance become,
Support.
and is it working perfectly for the psychological
Yes.
pattern? See here,
Yes, sir.
one trade here, one trade here, one trade here. Total 3 trade, 1 trade here, 4 trade. 4 with a 100% confirmation trades. You got it? In this content, no need to trade each and every candle. Need to trade the selective candle at this stage. Okay. Now come to here. This is a support. It's become now resistance. When a candle close under the resistance, which is this structure? Two red, one green. What will be the next candle?
Red.
And is it a correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So where you got this pattern? At a structural way. Okay. Means you compress the price in a box. Now price is in your control. The price is not open, right? And there is no choice. There is no choice. Leave it once you finish the trade. See here. This trade, a support become resistance. Why it's a sell candle, which is rejected from the resistance level. But we are not trading. For example, if we check, this is a psychological pattern. Am I right? A red,
Yes.
green, and red. Is this psychological pattern close on any structure? No. We are not going to buy. We are not going to buy. Come here. This is a support. Am I right? This is a support.
Yes.
Is
Yes.
support is working?
It broke and became resistance.
This support is working directly. It's working.
No.
No, it's not working. But if we will trade, we will lose.
Yes.
Even it's a strong support. Am I right?
Okay.
Come
Yes,
here.
sir.
It's become a resistance.
Yes.
1, 2, 3. Which is this pattern? 2 red,
Red, green.
1 green.
Yes.
It works.
Next red.
You got the trade here. And what you filtered, this is a pattern, piercing line. Am I right?
Yes.
The piercing line pattern where it's closed under the structure. So is it possible it can work?
No.
So the pattern can be filtered. Pattern
Yes.
can be filtered.
Okay.
It's not difficult, just focus. Okay, come here. This is a structure of buy. This support is working here.
No, sir.
It's not working. It's a confusing. If directly
No.
we will trade, then we will confuse why my support is not working, what I can do, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Wait for the structure break. The structure broken. Okay. The structure come back. The 3 times worked. Now tell me, the support trading is a good. A support becomes resistance trading is a good.
Support become resistant.
Support become resistance. All you will find which patterns? Psychological. 1 red, 2 green, psychological working. 1 green, 1 red, 1 green, psychological working. Here we
Yes.
have lost one and we won the second step. No, you will never go sometimes above the second step, first step. You just understand the logic. If you are not getting this point, you will never get the correct way to trade. See, this is a structure of break. Okay. When price moved up and came down with the last 3 candles, which is this structure?
I'm going to that.
What's a structure? What will be the next candle?
3.
Is it a green?
Yes.
Your structure is working? Your
Yes.
setup is working where? When there is a complete or true structure. Okay. Now
Yes,
wait,
sir.
look at here. This support resistance is become a support. This resistance become a
Support.
your structure is working. Am I right?
Yes.
Now you are feeling, is there something difficult?
No.
And which is this pattern? Which closed on your support?
Evenings. Now psychological green to that.
Psychological pattern. Psychological pattern working. What the patterns
Yes.
we discussed from the first picture? Only one psychological pattern not worked. All are working. But when we will get the psychological pattern at the structure, we are trading only one time. Only
1 time.
one time. So here it's work. Am I right?
Yes.
Now, again, there are so many opportunities, not only one in a one movement. You will find you will tired to getting the opportunities. This is a resistance. Am I right?
Yes.
This resistance become a support now.
Yes.
You are this psychological pattern, one red, one green, one red. What will be the next candle?
3.
Only trade one candle and then leave it. It's worked.
Yes, sir.
Come here. This is a resistance level which becomes a
Support.
at support, which red candle closes, which is the pattern of psychological, 2 green, 1 red. Is it clear?
Yes.
Is it working?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now tell me, brother, how many setups I discussed here? Is there any setup which is not working for you?
No.
And
It's working.
is it difficult to understand?
Not at all.
No, sir.
It's easy. It's very easy. Okay. But I know still some people, some traders they make mistakes. You need to be a master this structure. If you believe in me, if you trust in me, then this last structure is your life-changing structure. This class is your life-changing class. Okay. I saw all your hard work. I saw all your sincerity in the class. Sometimes when I'm sharing, when I'm conducting 3 to 4 batches, 5 batches, 10 batches, from these batches, I'm getting a 1 or 2 batches which are sincere. But otherwise, there are all gamblers coming. So I'm very happy from your batch. You are getting my points and working properly. That is the main thing. Now come to this structure. How many times this structure is working?
All the time almost.
Here, here, here. Now, which structures are not mentioned? This support become a resistance?
Yes.
Is it working?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So you can find every time your structures are working perfectly. Come on the next picture. Is there any doubt in this structure?
No, sir.
Is it very clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
First structure, second structure give you the trade with a psychological pattern as well, and support is as well, right?
Yes, sir.
Here is also a psychological pattern. Here is also a psychological pattern. When this is structure broken, this is structure broken, but also the candle is broken, right? It's not close on the support. But here, when this is broken, this doji, where it's close, on the structure it's close, right?
Right,
Yes.
sir.
And then the next candle is moving up. Okay. Where there is no structure, that is not the right market for trading. When there is no structure, there is the uncertainty. So why you need to trade in the uncertainty? Don't trade in uncertainty, Raki. Here you can see. One trade, second trade. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
This support works here. But mostly when we saw in the past, what was not working. I'm not telling that it will not work all the time. 50% will work, 50% not. What will be your result? Mixed results cannot satisfy you. Right?
Yes, sir.
So
Right,
now come here. This is a support, which becomes now,
Resistance.
is it working?
Yes.
Yes.
This is a support. This red candle close on the support is working? Not. It's the wrong way. But this support, when becomes a resistance, even it's a breakout, is it working for you? Is there any
Yeah.
chance
Yeah.
of losing money?
No.
But
no.
if we trade here, we will lose.
Yes. I've done that.
Hmm?
I've lost quite a lot in this.
See here. A resistance structure becomes a support.
Support.
Even touching, it's working. But there is so much structures you will find in this area, which I not mentioned. He's my student, which he worked a lot, but he is just main structures he is showing us. But there are so many structures inside. Now you have a clear idea how you can clear the structures, right?
Yes, sir.
Right, sir.
And now you will feel the market inside. See, this support, is it working directly?
No.
No. When it's become a resistance, it's rejected. Rejected.
Yes.
And then it's worked. If we trade, it's work. What you are thinking after that, the next candle will be the red. You know why? This support
it's,
structure is broken.
yeah.
This support structure is broken. Now it's become a,
Resistance.
and this candle close where?
On the resistance zone.
The resistance.
So definitely this structure will work. Now, this structure and this logic and this technique, it's depend upon the teacher. That how he is teaching you and how you are getting the point. There are a lot of courses, so many mentors, so many explainers, so many teachers. All they are teaching this one. But did you find any same structure which is focusing only the structure on any YouTube channel, on any video, on any book?
No, sir.
They are
No,
not
sir.
I
focusing.
didn't.
They are not focusing. You know, maybe they are not clear myself, but every point when I'm teaching, it is planned. Why I did not teach you these points? When you will never get any bad results, you will never understand or you will never realize, right?
Yes.
So some
Yes, sir.
points are very important to realize. So that's why when I'm leaving you for the practice, I just leave you that you realize yourself that what you are going. But if in the start, I share with you this setup and share with you this knowledge, then maybe you will never realize that what is the importance of this structure. So that's why when the teacher is leaving his students to in the practice, he is realizing and he is observing so much that what they are doing and who are interested to get benefited. So if The members which they are appear in this class, they will be benefited, right? And those members which they will watch this video, they will be not benefited as you will be benefited. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yesterday, I did not took the class because most of the members was not available. So that's why today I decided to give you the class, but today I was very busy. But only that I think that I promised to give you the lesson. So that's why I took this class today. See here, this structure is working. Okay. And this structure is working. This structure is working. Now you can study. Now you got the way. Now you understand how many times this is working. See, when the price is open, you will see it will never give you anything. If I trade this support, is it a structural support or it's an open support?
Open.
Open support is working.
No.
No.
We need a structural support. A structural support is not there. Is this open support is working?
No.
See, now just focus it. This is the open support. Now become a structural support. Even touching, it's working.
Yes.
So open support and structural support have a different meaning. See, this support was a open first, okay? Then it's become a
Close.
structural support and it's worked, right? Rejected,
Yes.
and it give you the candle. So this is the main thing. This is the open support. Is it working?
No.
Then again it's broken. It means it's not a structural support. But this open supports become a structural support,
Yes.
structural resistance. Okay. Open support becomes a structural
Yes.
resistance. It's working perfectly. And now you are trading the reversal. You are trading what? Trading reversal, but trend directional reversal means it is more than the continuation. You are going with the force. You are going with the major force. You are trading reversal, but you are trading directional trend force. Means if the downtrend is there, you are trading the resistance with the downtrend. You are not trading the support. It means it's not harmful. It's not a harmful.
Risky one.
And this is a support. It's an open support. This is the against of the trend. Open support always is against, right?
Yes.
If everybody understand, I think that they will never fail. See, is the support, open support is working?
No.
Structural resistance is working?
Yes.
Then this open resistance becomes now structural support, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Even touching it's working?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Open resistance one time worked or two time worked sometimes because it's a consolidation. Okay.
Okay.
But after structural support, you can see with the rejection, two times it work. Okay. So that is the thing. Sometimes when you fail, then stop. Means the market is not behaving the structures. It is possible. When it is not behaving the structures, when there is a news,
Consolidation.
when there is an uncertainty, when there is any big event, a big announcement, that time your structural SNR levels also will not work because market is in the uncertainty. Uncertainty, no rules are working. The consolidation is the one part of uncertainty. And sometimes market is also uncertainty. So you are a trader, you need to watch the news. You need to read the news. It's very important. And this habit of reading the news is very important. You know, when I just finished this class, once again, I look at the news. Even it's a domestic news, it's not international news, but news habit is very important. All the time, news channels you will find on the screen. I'm always a 5-minute getting, again, I will watch the headlines. What's going on in the world, in my country, in my city, everything I'm just observing in one room. So see this structure. This is not a here, it's just a mistake of the drawing. This resistance starts from here, which becomes a support. Your all queries, your all questions, your every setup will be refined here. And you know, these pictures, I think if I give you, it will help you a lot to understand, right?
Yes, sir.
Before, how many members they knows about this structure? Yes, they knows, but they don't know what is the importance of these structures, right?
Yes, sir.
Right, sir.
I have a lot of pictures, because every time a lot of pictures is a proof that market is respecting. Okay. So that is the main thing which you need to do on your chart. Now I need this practice from your side. Okay. And then when you will do this practice, you place the trade, you will win the trade, and then observe that which setups is covered in your this levels. See here. For just a support become
resistance.
So here it's not work, but here it gives me the way I can go with the sell, right? Or I can aware about these things. So there will be so many structures, but these structures which are there very far away, sometimes it will not work. Or very close structures we need to trade. See here, this structure of the market is not a perfect structure. We need to find a perfect structure. A step by step, like a stairs type of a market we required. See here, we required this type of market where we have to trade. Here we have to trade. It means price is compressed, right? See here, we have to trade here. It's a support. These trades are powerful or not? Tell me.
Yes, quite powerful.
Yes, sir.
Very powerful trade. Yes, sometimes you will fail when this is already a 2 times this support is worked. Here, sometimes you will find, but don't fight with the market. If you fails, then again find another setup. Okay, if you fails, then don't revenge the market that no, if I fail here, I go with again. You know how many movements is moving up, right?
Right, sir.
So structure is broken. Structure is broken. Means now this structure will not work. Now this structure is working for you. Which one? This structure, if we trade it, now this structure will become a resistance, become a support. If it's broken, then wait for this support. Wait for this support, a direction, then wait for the structure broken, and then you can trade. See here, this is structure when it's broken. Is this trade is perfect trade or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
When this structure is broken, is it a perfect trade or not?
Yes, sir.
When this structure is broken, you can see it's broken. It's broken. It's not closing on your structure, right?
Yes, sir.
So means we need to wait. And then again, this, why we cannot extend this resistance level? You know why? Because it's a resistance, right? A one resistance become a support. But again, this support we cannot become a use as a resistance. It will be lengthy process. Then leave it. Okay? Then leave it. But you have another support here. Where is the support? You have this structural support. If the price touches, you can trade. You can trade. But if not touching, then leave it. Now, still the price is here. Okay? So no structure is breaking. For example, if that is a support which is broken, this support which is broken, it's not as a structural support, because it's every time it's a breakout. Which strategy we will use here? A strong and weak support and resistance breakout, right? When you are not getting structurals, you will get the strong and weak support and resistance breakout. That is what I discussed today for you. See here. Is it, if that is a support, open support, can I trade the open support?
No.
The open support trading is a risky. Open support trading is a risky. Can I trade the direct resistance? No, it's a risky. Even if I fail here, a resistance which become a support, I failed here, within the one step I won, right?
Yes.
Immediately you will win. It will be recoverable. It will be recoverable, but only one step, not more. Now, if it's broken, yes, I'm waiting here. It's come back. This is broken. I'm waiting. Come here. Price come here. I will go with the sale in the direction of the sale. But the open support fails. Open support fails 2 times. Okay. Now, do you have any query? Yes.
Sir, it's validation.
Validation of the volume, right?
Yes. Sometimes when we have like SNR, sometimes the validation work, sometimes not. So I'm very confused.
Brother, validation we are not trading, right?
Right.
We are trading the weakness always. So this is structural trading which I shared today. It's a weakness. The breakout
Yes.
we are trading, we are finding the weakness. If reversals we are trading, we need the weakness. If continuation we want to trade, only we will use the 3 candles. Which one candles?
3.
3 candles. We will trade this one. We will trade this one. We will trade this one. If you want to do a continuation, you trade this one. If you want to do a continuation, you have this one. Okay.
Yes.
Validation is what? It's a continuation. Now, your validation point I'm going to clear. If on the validation you get these 2 candles, you trade. If on the validation, if you get these two candles, you can trade. So filter the validation setups. Don't take all the setups for the validation. Are you getting
Yes.
my point?
Yes, sir. Yes, I get.
If you will try this validation point, you know, this is what? This is a reversal point. This is a weak setup. If there will be validation, it will not work. A small candle, then a big candle. So it's a green candle, it will move up. But here just I forget the color. Okay. This is what? This validation will not work. If it work, 50-50 chance. Which validation will work? Whichever end is small candle. Whichever end?
Of small can.
Small candle. Which validation will not work? Whichever big candle. But all validation will be filtered by the structural support and resistance.
Yes, yes.
You got the point? Which validation
Yes.
is working? I'm telling you, this validation will work for you. And when it will work? When there is no structural support and resistance. When there is a structural support and resistance, also these setups will not work for you. Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
So now, what is the main thing? The main thing is your structural SNR. Always I see on your charts structural support and resistance areas. And you know, which trading is very dangerous. I sold here, I failed, right?
Right, sir.
Okay, so I failed. $1 I place here. Okay, I'm going to place $2. Failed. $4. Failed. Heartbeat is increasing. Frustration is increasing. $8. You win. This system, 98 times you will win. How many times? 98 times you will win. A 2% when you will use, it will blow on your account 0%. Even you will get the 98% winning ratio. Once a 2%, it will blow on your complete account. Is it better then? Tell me. So this way is the better or no?
Yes, sir.
This is
Yes,
a
sir.
this is a wrong way. Okay.
Yes.
Don't do it. Don't go against. Don't think. Don't expect from the market. Expectation. Always I'm writing this one on my everywhere from the so many years. I'm always writing this one, and I'm working on it always. Am I right?
Right, sir.
So even in a trading, I'm not expecting. If I'm a clear, I will trade. If I lose, no problem, because it's my decision. But I expect from the buyers, yes, maybe they will give me red, maybe they will give me red, maybe they will give me red, maybe don't trade. If you are sure, trade. If win, then enjoy. If not, then seek another pattern. Search another pattern. But this always remain. Remember this one. Expectations from the market, expectation from the friends, expectation from the family members, expectation from the others. If you are keeping, always you will hurt. So don't expect. If you are sure, you can do it. If you're not sure, leave it. Okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
This is from my side today. So
Yes, sure.
again, you will go for the practice. But if you are flexible, if you are thinking, my suggestions, this structural support and resistance setup, you trade some and then understand. Once you understand fully, then go with the real account. Okay. And then if we will find any problem, I'm always available for you people. But I want that a little more practice. It will make you perfect. You will never lose the money. Yes, someone have a question, I think.
Yes, sir, I was talking about breakouts on higher high, higher lows. Sometimes it doesn't make higher high, higher low. Example, it made a low to high. Then it will make a new lower low. What about then? Then
This
it's
is
like
a
an
ranging market, what you are talking.
Okay.
A price makes a low, then price makes a high. Then it's not making a higher low or lower high, it's directly making a lower low,
Low,
right? And then again it's
Yes.
move.
Yes.
This type, right?
Yes.
So this is a ranging market.
Okay.
This is not a structure. It's a ranging market. You will
We
find.
trade here strong and weak SNRs.
So here we will trade the top of the trends of SNRs, bottom of the.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Inside, then price need to move down. For example, they have this point. They have this point. They will run from here. Run, trying to break. If unable to break, then sellers will run from here. They will try. If they break, they will move down, right? But if they don't break, then again buyers will run. So this is a just just the price have uncertainty. You know what is the mean of uncertainty? Even the buyers don't know. Buyers don't know where we go. Even the sellers don't know where we go. They don't have a clear signal from the backside. Means the big players is sleeping. Big players are sleeping. And this is the game of tug of war. You know which is the game?
Yes.
This is a tug of war game. In the ranging market, in the consolidation, it's a tug of war. It's pulling, pushing. So if you find this type of market, when you will find when a one trend completes, then range, again new trend starts, then range, then the new trend completes, then the range again will start. So 40% market is showing you the range, 60% showing you the trend. We need to clear. One point, if I found, I will show you. For example, which is this index? Dollar index, right?
Okay.
I need a chart. Okay. Then I need a euro index. It's a USD, and this is a, we need a 1 hour chart. 1 hour. How many candles I rate?
3 candles.
Check it. Check it. Okay. See, then it's a green, right? It's
Yes.
red, a big red, and big green.
Big green.
A spinning type of candle red, a spinning type of green, right?
Yes.
So this Euro index, it's moving up, USD is moving
Down.
down. So in the Euro USD, what will be the trend? Uptrend. Today is a uptrend in the Euro USD. Check it.
Oh.
Check it. Today, okay?
Now
Price is
it
moving
is.
up.
Yes.
Price is moving up.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Because 24 candles. How many?
20.
I think here will be 24 candles. From 3 days, now price is moving
Upwards.
up. Check here. We need a 1 month candle. Which one?
1 month.
And here we require the 1 month candle. From how many month Euro is dropping, falling down?
Quite a lot of
1,
months.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Whole year.
9, 10, 11, 12 months, right?
Yes.
From how many months the dollar is moving up? 1, 2, 3,
Almost
4,
10.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
11.
12. Double top, am I right?
Yes.
Double bottom.
Mm.
3 candles move down, 3 candles move up. 2 candles move up, 2 candles move down. 1 candle is a big, 1 candle is a big. This is a doji, this is a doji type. Then 2 move up, 2 move down. This is a doji, here is a doji. But mostly, this is a big candle green, this is a big candle red. Getting my point?
Yes,
What
sir.
is this? If we check the alone indexes, we will find this one. So, for example, from the 12 month, the euro is moving down. Then USD is moving up. Okay. And when we will combine these two, this price we will combine and divide by 2. Euro plus USD. If we will combine the price and divide by 2. Then what will be? Euro USD. Right?
Yes, sir.
Look at here. Which is the price is moving? 1.0426. Right?
Yes.
USD versus Euro versus
USD.
USD. You are searching all the time in the Google. 1.04,
Yes.
am I right?
Yes.
1.04, am I right?
Yes, sir.
So it's matching the price.
Yes, sir.
So this is the main thing. Now, why these currencies? How we can get the idea that which currency will fall, which currency will
Nice.
rise? Look at supply and demand of the world. Supply and
demand.
of the world. From the 12-month, euro is falling. It means the European countries have very big problems because their currency is falling down.
Falling.
Means their interest rate, their monetary policy, their import-export, their demand is declining. Means those countries have a big issues. So strength of the currency is very important. And this strength we are getting from here. Now, from the 12-month, if the Euro USD is falling down, Euro is falling down, in this structure, which more setups we will get? Sell or buy?
Sellers.
So if our understanding is clear, we will go with always with the sell. We will find the sell setups because more sell setups because pressure is selling. So identify the currency and its pressure. So for example, I'm going to identify the GBP. Okay. GBP index. Okay. Every currency have an index. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So see here, GBP 1 month, it's moving up. From 12 months, it's moving up.
Upwards.
And dollar is moving up.
Yes, up.
Both are moving up.
Yes.
Means JBP USD have a mostly range in the market. JBP USD is working with a
Ranging market.
ranging market. Let's identify the JBP USD with a 1 month candle. Am I right? Is it a around so many times? It's a
Ranging market.
ranging market, right?
Yes.
There is no clear trend. The price is moving around here, right?
Yes, sir.
So we can understand the strength of the currencies, and then we can get the ideas that in which way the price is going. So see here, what's the rate is going on today? 1
16
GBP
today.
is
Oh,
equal to
rate.
1.22 USD. Okay, 1 GBP.
1.22.
This is means 1. This is means
This one's price.
this is me. Every first currency is means what? Means 1. Means 1. Means 1 GBP is equal to 1.227445. Who is expensive? GBP is expensive, right?
Yes.
And dollar is
Weak. Less.
weak as compared to the GBP. So every first currency is a 1. Every first currency is a 1. This price means in a 1 GBP, we will get the $1.22. Before, euro was more. 12 months before, 1 euro is equal to $1.24. And today, 1 euro is equal to 1.04. Means the euro is losing their strength. So this information is a formal information. It's not a trading type of you will get the binary, but it's informative. That what the pattern which we are trading, that pair which we are trading, how the pairs are working, how the currencies are working. So this is a very big debate. If we talk, it will take 4 to 5 hours. to understand the complete structure and supply and demand, where we will get this demand and supply, how supply and demand is increasing, how world is calculating all over the world results, and then it's immediately on the live market is showing us a demand immediate on every second, every tick it's showing us a demand. And then how we can control, how we can save the money. If I have a GBP, when I will know to sell, when I will know to buy again, when the BTC will drop, when, so there are so many things to discuss in this financial market. But this is just a binary trading. We are only focused on the binary, but this is very big information. Okay, so this I just give you the overviews about the market, that how it's working. So now you practice, and then next time if we will feel any confusion, then we will decide that when we are going to meet again. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, brothers. Thank you so much.